Hello everyone. I found a new glitch today. You need a bunker and a helicopter. First land your helicopter in top of your bunker. Now enter your bunker and steal supplies. Oh shit, what the fuck is that? This is all for the glitch. I hope you liked it whatsoever and comment if it worked. Let's see a bonus clip. Now that was fucked up. Like the fucking video, you fucking bitch.